Hey guys, so as I promised on my last video, here is my introduction video. Sorry I was a bit late to post it. I thought it would be a good idea to use my own voice for this occasion. If you haven't already, please subscribe my channel as it will mean the world to me. So my name is Dinara and I'm a beginner artist coming from Sri Lanka. On my channel, I will be doing art hacks, tutorials, reviews, fan requests and crafts. So today I am drawing a beautiful landscape and I hope you like it. Stick around till the end to see the results. And as always, bye for now and have a nice day.
Let's see.